Franz wants to buy a $24,000 car in 8 years. How much must he deposit each month in an account paying 4.8% compounded monthly so that he will have enough money? So how much must he deposit each month? So we are looking for the payment. And we are starting out with $0, so the PV will be 0. The I is going to be 4.8. We want to have 24,000 in the future, so our future value will be 24,000. This is compounded monthly, so PYCY will be 12. And this is for 8 years. So N is going to be 8 times 12. So if we use the calculator, we get 205 and 56 cents.